Mobile home roof vents. Sometimes they can be hard to find. Sometimes when you take them up, they are destroyed. You have to buy a new one. On a mobile home, I don't have a problem with taking these aluminum, what they call slant back roof vents. And they're made for a shingle roof, but they also work very well on mobile home roofs. You got these little pipe collars, and a lot of times what you run into is you try to take up that pipe collar right there, and then the hole is either too big or it's just rusted or rotted or nothing to screw back down to. So I'll take my big 750 vent, lay it on over the top of that, mark all the way around it with a pencil, and then I'll put caulk down there. Then I'll turn that vent over and I'll do the same thing on it to give it a second layer of protection inside of where that one is. So now we got 2 layers of protection against water. Take that thing right there, put it right on top of the lines that you just made on your roof, line it up where it was. There you go, nice and sealed. You can see the stuff actually pushing out around the edges. And then you're gonna go down to Lowe's and buy some of these screws right here. Come in a bag. They're called quarter driver. Wood, metal to wood. Okay, this is a metal to wood screw with a rubber grommet on it right there. Piece of metal and a piece of rubber, and these are the screws you're going to want to go around that thing every 3 to 4 inches and put a screw.